And then the cat comes. Okay. The iPhone 11 Pro Max smart battery case. That's a long name for a phone. Just kind of... Well, I really am struggling with these. Okay. So that's what comes out of the box. It's just that. And here's the phone case, which is rather beefy and large. There we go. Ooh, and the case needs to be charged. Okay. And you just have your booklet. There's nothing else. So when you use the case, though, however, it's supposed to, in case you all wanted to know what I look like, I gotta go down here to the widgets section, add batteries, because now it finally shows up. Bring it up near the top here, because I want to see that first. Okay, and so the case is on 11%, if you can see it. Ooh, my phone is fingerprinting. There we go. I have to edit that. Okay, so you do all that work, and the case is on 11%. So when you charge that up, it's just going to work like an extra battery on your phone. It's not too terribly thick. I got the black one because I have the gold phone. See, it's not too bad. I'll show you the camera button here. That's me recording with the iPad, taking a video, stopping the video, or to take a picture. I don't know why it goes front-facing camera first. No, facing camera. Video inception! What? And then there's my cat, Sapphire. Hi. That might actually be a cute picture. So yeah, I don't know. I can see myself using the photo. This photo case is gonna be, it's gonna be good. Just to hold the phone, because it gives you like sturdy. It makes it really sturdy instead of using the volume buttons, because the volume buttons are a little bit mushy, as opposed to the camera button, which is very tactile. So yeah, it's not really a review or anything. I'm just like, I just got it and I wanted to look at it. I literally just unboxed it, so it seems to be pretty okay so far. It's not too heavy. Don't know why I did an accent, but you know, whatever. I'm a weirdo. Lightning port. I don't understand why they do this either. So why they have significantly less holes on this side than they do on this side? Because I get that one side's supposed to be the microphone and one side's supposed to be like the speaker, but why not just put the same amount of holes over there? Like, I just don't get that as a concept in general. But whatever. Yep, so that was this.